How to get Reddit Premium on Reddit. Today guys I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in the channel, and let's start. First you will just open Reddit, and after this, when Reddit is opening, you will just go here to your profile icon, then you will go to settings, and on settings will go and have a lot of options. You will go to get premium, and they will say if you want to have premium uh, version, you have to pay like 50,000 of this or this. So if you have money, so you can have Reddit premium, or if you don't have, you can't have Reddit premium. And that's it. I hope this video is useful. Do not forget to like, subscribe to our channel. See you next video.